Imagine investing for 10 years, checking your account, and realizing you've barely moved forward. Now imagine someone earning less than you quietly becoming wealthy. Sounds unfair, right? Here's the shocking truth. Most investors don't stay poor because they picked the wrong stocks. They stay poor because they follow the wrong system. And the biggest mistake, almost everyone makes it without realizing it. Stay with me, because the final step could completely change how you build wealth. Step 1, stop chasing fast money. Let's start with the first mistake. Most people think investing is about getting rich quickly. So they chase trending stocks, jump into viral investments, and panic the moment prices fall. It's like planting a tree, then digging it up every week to see if it's growing. Spoiler alert, that's not how trees work. Neither does investing. Wealth isn't built through excitement. It's built through consistency. But this is only the beginning, because the second mistake is even more expensive. Step 2, let your money work harder. Here's what wealthy investors understand. Every dollar has a job. Instead of spending every extra paycheck, they buy assets that keep producing more money. Those returns create even more returns. That's the magic of compounding. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. At first it looks tiny, then suddenly it becomes impossible to stop. Most people quit before the snowball gets big enough, and that's exactly why they never experience real wealth. But there's one final step almost nobody talks about. Step 3, master your emotions. The biggest enemy of your portfolio isn't the market, it's the person staring back at you in the mirror. Fear tells you to sell when prices crash. Greed tells you to buy when everyone else already made money. And social media? It makes you feel broke every 5 minutes. Here's a question. If checking your investments every hour made people rich, wouldn't everyone be a millionaire by now? Real investors follow a plan. They invest regularly, ignore the daily noise, and give time a chance to do the heavy lifting. So here's the simple money growth system. Step 1, stop chasing quick wins. Step 2, let every dollar keep working for you. Step 3, control your emotions, not the market. That's how ordinary people quietly build extraordinary wealth. Remember, the goal isn't to look rich this year, it's to become financially free for the rest of your life. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more simple money lessons that can help you build wealth one smart decision at a time.